Welcome to Curie Electronics. In this video, we are going to see what is a transducer and what is the difference between a transducer and sensor. So, what is a transducer? Can you say one example? The mic is a transducer. What does it do? It converts sound waves to electrical waves. So, what is transducer? A transducer is a device. It's a device. So, transducer is a device which converts physical quantity to electrical quantity. So, what does it do? Converts physical quantity to electrical quantity. Or in the other way also we can say, the other way means converts electrical quantity to physical quantity. Electrical quantity to physical quantity. So, a transducer is a device which converts physical quantity to electrical quantity or electrical quantity to physical quantity. What do you mean by physical quantity? Can you give an example? Force. What force, pressure, temperature, all these are physical quantities. So, the temperature we can convert to electrical signal. So, that is an example for physical quantity to electrical quantity. What about electrical quantity to physical quantity? See, how the speaker works. We have a speaker. Input to the speaker is what? It's a electrical signal. Electrical signal is the input for the speaker. Input for the speaker. And what we get output? Output is the sound waves. Sound waves. So, this is an example for electrical quantity to physical quantity. So, what is a transducer? Transducer is a device which converts a physical quantity to electrical quantity or electrical quantity to physical quantity. Now you are aware what is transducer. Now let's take a simple example for a transducer. So here we are having a mic. So in the sound waves, when we talk to a mic means microphone. When you talk to a microphone, what happens? That sound waves vibrate the microphone diaphragm and that will get converted to electrical signal and it goes to the amplifier. So here this microphone is a transducer which converts physical quantity to electrical quantity. That is the electrical signal. That electrical signal goes to this amplifier and amplified electrical signal is applied to loudspeaker. So loudspeaker will produce the sound waves. Now, so this is a simple example of what is a transducer and how it is used. From here, if you see, we have two transducers, that is microphone as well as the loudspeaker. Can we say these are sensors? Is it right if we say these are sensors? Then what is exactly sensor? Sensor. Sensor is a transducer, but it will be used in the input. Device, sensor is a device which performs an input function. So sensor is also a transducer, but it performs an input function. So the simple example is inputs are there. What is the inputs? Microphone sensors. Then what is the temperature sensor? Many sensors are there. Now we will see few of these sensors before winding up this short video. What is sensor and transducer? So sensor is used as an input device. Now we have a light level. See, light level, if you want to know, a few examples we will. These are few examples. Light level. What is the intensity of light? If you want to detect, what are the sensors we use? We can use LDR. LDR means light dependent resistor. Then we can use photodiode. Then what else? Phototransistor. Even a solar cell. Let's take another quantity, temperature. Temperature. What are the sensors used to measure temperature? We can use thermistor, thermocouple, thermistor, and RTD. Many are there, okay? Resistance temperature detector, RTD. Many are there. All this we have already learned. Actually, they should have in the first video, but I will not make it like. Then if you want to find position, what are the sensors we can use to find position? For position, simplest thing is potentiometer. Potentiometer, it's a variable resistor. Potentiometer. Then what we can use position? LVDT. Linear variable differential transformer. LVDT. Then what we can use position? There are many other sensors are there, okay? Position. Even we can use encoder for rotation and all. Then opto switch. Many are there. All I am not writing. Then what else we do? Then speed. What sensor we can use it for speed? Is a tacho generator. This is all we will be learning in details. Then most of the other speed sensors are Doppler based sensors. Then for sound we know microphone, crystal. What about force or pressure? Force or pressure. We use strain gauges or load cell. All our weighing machines use load cell. So these are the few examples. Also these sensors also we can categorize into analog sensor and digital sensor, active or passive. All this we have seen. But here what you have to understand, what is a transducer and what is a sensor. So transducer is a device which converts a physical quantity like pressure, temperature, force, etc. to electrical quantity, or it's convert electrical quantity to physical quantity. That means electrical signal to sound waves, or electrical signal to temperature, or electrical signal to a movement like a solenoid, or it could be a motor. All these we can say it as transducers. But sensors are transducers, but only they will function as input devices. So I hope you are clear what is a transducer and what is a sensor. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks.